This video is one of a series of reviews where we have tried out all the most popular USB microphones. You can compare all the mics and listen to the original recordings if you visit this page on our website. This is the standard edition, and it's a large diaphragm condenser microphone with 4 pickup patterns. You can choose between the cardioid pickup pattern, which is what I'm using now, which is very directional. You can have a bidirectional figure of 8 pattern so that you could interview somebody and both sit either side of the mic. It's got an omnidirectional pickup pattern so that you could surround the mic with people, a band or a conference, and record all the way around. And it also has a stereo output. Now this mic has got a headphone port with a volume control on it. It's got a very substantial built-in stand, and you can swivel the mic to adjust the rotation, but it can also be fitted to a standard microphone stand as well. Now the standard Blue Yeti has got a recording resolution of 16-bit 48 kHz and a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It's got a mic gain control on the mic, so you control the volume of the preamp and the mic that's built in with this dial, and it's also got a mute button. And if I just pause for a moment, that's the ambient sound of the mic. And so that is the standard Blue Yeti microphone. This video is one of a series of reviews where we have tried out all the most popular USB mics. If you want to compare this microphone with the others, you'll find them all on our website in one handy guide, or subscribe to our channel and check out the rest of our videos there. See you again soon.